Now let's see how we can utilize the Pointillist effect inside of Corel Draw. So to do that, I'm going to go around onto the File menu, and then I'm going to go around onto Import right here, just like this, and I'm going to choose an image that I want to apply the effect to. So let's just go around and choose this, let's say for example, and click and drag this out right here. So in order to apply the Pointillist effect, first of all, you need to go around over here onto the effects menu, and then you need to go around over here onto the art strokes section right here. So once you go around over here, as you're selecting the particular image that you want to apply the effect to, you can go around and click on this right here. So once you go ahead and do that, you can go around and zoom in, and you can see a bunch of points right here. So it takes the sample from the picture pixels that are there in the image and then simply applies this out. As you can see, you can go around and change around the size of the points as well. You can increase and decrease out the size, as you can see, and then change around the brightness right here, just like this as well. You can increase the brightness out and decrease the brightness out, just like this as well. So that is how you can go ahead and work around with the Pointillist effect inside of Corel Draw. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.